Welcome! In today's episode I finally get to mount the flap on the main wing. I mark the top skin at the hinge point. Then I cut it open and route the foam. I mark the depth of the wing to see where the center of the hinge is. I check the fit and looks like I marked it wrong. The opening needs to be bigger, so I make it bigger. Okay, much better now. For now, I decided to use wooden blocks to make a base for the hinge pin. I wanted it to be aluminum, but machining it would take too much time. Okay, reamer doesn't work yet, I need router. Top block has a shorter channel. It will keep the pin from sliding out from the bearing. I repeat the process on the other side of the flap. There we go. Flap is moving nice and smooth. I installed the horn so I can check the movement. I don't like how the plastic base is sticking out. Maybe later I will sink it down inside the flap. I prepared the bearing bushing for the glue. Epoxy and cotton fiber mix is really strong. After it cures, I will also rivet it through the skin. I make sure to clean the glue from the top of the wooden base. The other half has to fit nice and tight. That's all for today, and more coming soon.